participants will be able to describe the meaning and growth trends of RPA. Welcome to Robotic Process Automation. My name is Jacob Eli Tomas. You can call me Eli, and I will take you through this class. To give you a quick introduction about myself, I'm the head of data science at Literati, the head of research at ++, and a global instructor here at Simplilearn. Previously, I was part of a tech startup for 10 years, helping it grow from 10 to 2,000 employees worldwide. My role there was technical program manager and global learning manager. I have a master's in electrical engineering and a master's in data science. The Robotic Process Automation course walks us through the basics of RPA. By the end of this course, participants will be able to describe the meaning and growth trends of RPA, list the benefits of RPA to industries and organizations, explain the cost-benefit analysis and evolution of RPA, discuss the types, processes, and activities of RPA, describe the ROI and the 4 methods to calculate ROI for RPA, analyze the key drivers of RPA in an enterprise, and finally, list the steps to enterprise RPA. The course is divided into 6 lessons. What is robotic process automation? How does RPA work? ROI, building a business case. Implementing RPA in your enterprise. List of RPA tools and selection checklist. And finally, a case study. Robotic process automation. In today's world, it has become almost impossible to not hear about artificial intelligence or machine learning or even deep learning. But in tomorrow's world, we will hear more and more about RPA, or robotic process automation. This course has been designed to give you a jump start on important concepts, RPA history, RPA ecosystem, and much more. Whether you are an employee or business leader, this class is for you. So sit back, relax, and focus. That is all that is needed to be successful in this class. This class will help you understand and appreciate everything you need to know to get started on your RPA journey. Learning objectives. 1. What is RPA? 2. What are the growth trends of RPA? 3. How can it help organizations? 4. Industries and organizations that can benefit. 5. Software robot types. 6. RPA cost-benefit analysis, process improvement, productivity, savings, ROI, and evolution of RPA. According to Institute of Robotic Process Automation, IRPA, organizations that depend on labor on a large scale for general knowledge process work, in which people perform high-volume, highly transactional functions, can improve from RPA. Define RPA. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, is the use of software with artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, capabilities to handle high-volume, repeatable tasks that previously required humans to perform. Some of these human tasks are queries, calculations, and maintenance of records and transactions. Ease of RPA implementation. Hands down, the major advantage of RPA adoption is its ease of implementation. The RPA systems, tools, and processes can be implemented without disrupting or interfering with existing systems, including legacy systems and processes, and IT development and testing. Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Pega, WorkFusion are some of the vendors out there for RPA. Common RPA services include common business process and activities like open emails and attachments, extract structured data from documents, follow if-then decision rules, fill in forms and move files and folders, connect to system APIs, make complex calculations, monitor manual processes and learn how to perform them, for example, machine learning, read and write to databases, log into web or enterprise applications, copy and paste, scrape data from documents, and so on. Just to provide a frame of reference, the global market for RPA software and services reached $271 million in 2016 and is expected to grow to $1.2 billion by 2021 at a compound annual growth rate of 36%. The direct services market includes implementation and consulting services focused on building RPA capabilities within an organization. So the opportunities are enormous for business leaders and employees alike in the RPA domain. Where is RPA headed? Well, we had simple RPA, then we are working on enterprise RPA, and ultimately where we see RPA headed to is API-based automation. According to the McKinsey research, knowledge and work automation could have an economic impact of $5 to $7 trillion by the year 2025. It will touch more than 230 million knowledge workers, which is 9% of the global workforce. Any company which has labor-intensive processes, where people are performing high-volume, highly transactional process functions, will boost their capabilities and save money and time with RPA. Similarly, robotic process automation offers enough advantage to companies which operate with very few people or shortage of labor. Both situations offer a welcome opportunity to save on cost as well as streamline the resource allocation by deploying automation. As we can see from this graph, both RPA software and RPA services increased by a huge amount between 2016 up to 2021 and beyond. Workers use a simple flowchart-based tool to build software robots that record, understand, and execute monotonous and tedious job functions that are currently performed by humans. Examples of industries and business units within organizations that can benefit from RPA include banking and financial, human resources, marketing and sales departments and companies, CRM, customer relationship management, ERP, enterprise resource planning, IT integration processes, insurance agencies, and so on. Don't make a mistake. RPA are not really robots. RPA point to a digital workforce. Software robot types: autonomous and assisted. RPA cost-benefit analysis, process improvement. According to Deloitte, RPA brings about cost savings of 10 to 20% of onshore full-time employee. Accuracy. Robot-based end-to-end processes are accurate, eliminating human errors. Efficiency. Robots work 24/7, 365 days a year, and complete routine tasks faster than human counterparts. Timeline optimization. As mentioned before, robots can be implemented faster without disrupting existing systems. RPA cost-benefit analysis. Staff productivity. RPA facilitates humans and robots to do just what they excel at. As RPA frees the employees from their mundane tasks, they can focus more on client and customer interaction, relationship management, and other such activities where humans naturally excel at. Having satisfied clients and customers only mean better business.